Fear is a force of separation. It pulls us away from that which we actually want. That which we actually want is union. Union is love. And the ultimate union that we're craving for is to come back to oneness with the divine, or that which we don't understand, going back to source. That is our actual call. And so everybody that's looking for sex and hungry for sex, yes, there's pleasure in sex, but what is ultimately calling us in our deep desire to be intimate with another is for that moment of climax. And Osho would say, in that moment of climax is the one moment that is easy to access, which gives you a glimpse of the divine, which is the moment of egolessness and timelessness. Think of it. Think of that moments of climax when you are connected with the beloved and you have lost yourself in the ecstasy and the bodies are merging, and that you have that moment of climax. In that moment, there's no you. There's no space for the you because you are experiencing the all. And that one, it could last 10 seconds, it could last 3 seconds, it could last a minute. But in the eternal essence of ourself, we know it as timeless. Because we remember ourselves as timeless and egolessness. So the yearning for union is about returning to source.